Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Tips. Do you understand English but struggle to speak it fluently? Don't worry. Fluency is not a talent, it's a skill that anyone can develop with consistent practice. In today's video, I'll share 6 powerful English practice tips that can help you improve your speaking confidence, vocabulary, pronunciation, and overall fluency. Let's get started. Tip 1. Think in English. One of the biggest mistakes learners make is translating from their native language into English. Instead, try to think directly in English. For example, when you wake up, think, I need to brush my teeth. Today is going to be busy. The more you think in English, the faster your brain will process the language. Tip 2. Speak every day. Fluency comes from speaking, not just studying. Even if you don't have a partner, talk to yourself. Describe what you're doing. I'm making breakfast. I'm going to work. Daily speaking practice builds confidence and reduces hesitation. Tip 3. Read aloud. Reading aloud improves pronunciation, speaking speed, and confidence. Choose articles, stories, or English books and read them loudly for 10 to 15 minutes every day. This helps your mouth become familiar with English sound. Tip 4. Learn common phrases. Don't learn only individual words. Learn useful phrases such as, how's it going? I'm looking forward to it. That sounds great. Native speakers use phrases more often than isolated words. Tip 5. Listen to native speakers. Watch English movies, podcasts, interviews, and YouTube videos. Pay attention to pronunciation, intonation, word stress. Listening helps you understand how English is naturally spoken. Tip 6. Shadow native speakers. Shadowing means listening to a sentence and repeating it immediately. Try to copy pronunciation, rhythm, accent. This technique is used by many language learners to improve fluency quickly. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video. Subscribe to Learn English with Tips and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.